Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. Today let's talk a little bit more about Google. Now, Google really wants your phone number, but what if you don't have one, or you just wanted your own privacy? So most tutorials tells you to just hit skip, but for many of you that button is gone. So Google's AI is now tracking your IP and device fingerprint. So I think it's going to be really different to create an actual account without an actual phone. So the first thing is the Android iOS setting trick. So there's an actual method which is like the most successful. You don't use a browser, you go directly into your phone's setting. So when you create an account through the device system rather than into a browser, Google assumes that you are really a person setting up a new phone. So you can look at the bottom left of the mobile settings and you can have 80% of the time, even if it's blocked onto your PC. So this is like the first method. The second method that I can give you is that if you must use a computer, you use the incognito mode. This prevents Google from seeing from previous cookies in the ad account history. So Gray Hat tip sometimes setting the age exactly to 15 tells the system that users may not have their own mobile phone yet, which can trigger the skip button. So only do this once. If you tried for example, to make 5 accounts in a row using the trick, Google will flag your IP address and the block on all of them. So I do not recommend that a lot. So I can focus here, for example, for today and the year. Let's say, for example, 26, like this. And you can confirm for example, your own passcode. Now, Google main goal, for example, is the account security, because if you want to provide a recovery email from a different provider, like the Proton Mail, the Outlook, they are much more likely to let you skip the phone step. So by giving them a way to reach you if you get logged out, you satisfy their security requirements without giving up your phone number, for example. So once the account is live, you go to your security settings and make sure that the recovery email is verified immediately. So for this, you want to make sure that when you focus directly into your account, you go directly into your manage your account Google account element. And for the recover of your devices, for example, in my case, my personal information, I needed of course to add a second email so I can get, for example, the recovery email verified immediately, and I don't need to add a phone number anymore. So Google has blacklisted almost all free SMS numbers, and Google recognizes its own VoIP numbers and blocks them for signing up. So most free VPNs are already flagged on into the bots. The last thing that I can suggest to you is to get a live, or let's say, for example, like an online phone number that in most cases it just won't let you. It will be giving you, of course, let's say, for example, like really with affordable prices, of course, and less stuff. So if this method fails, it might be time to look at the Proton Mail, which is don't require a phone number for the basic tier and offer much better privacy. So the Proton Mail is totally for free, of course, and you can give it a try if you want to use that. So if you see the skip button, you're actually good to go. If you don't, then you can try out the Proton, or you can try it with the other tools that I just gave you. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. If it worked or blocked below, you can let me know in the comments below. Thank you once again for watching. See you guys next time.